Hi everyone, welcome back to our Excel Beginner Series Part 5. In this part, we will create a summary sheet for Ethan Sales Tracker. So without any further ado, let's start our tutorial. So Ethan's Sales Tracker is looking great now, but his manager doesn't want to look through rows and rows of data. Instead, she wants a summary report. So let's create one. At the bottom of the workbook, click the little plus icon to add a new sheet. And let's rename the first sheet as Sales Tracker and the new sheet as Summary. On this summary sheet, let's type some key metrics we want to calculate, like total boxes sold, total revenue, average boxes per sale, average revenue per sale. Now, how to calculate this? That's where Excel formula comes in. For example, to get total boxes sold, type equal to sum, bracket open, then go back to the sales tracker sheet. Select the entire boxes column and close the bracket, and Excel instantly adds them all. Do the same for total revenue, but this time select the amount column. Next, for average boxes, use formula equal to average, bracket open, and again select the boxes column. Repeat this for average revenue using the amount column. That's it. Now Ethan has a live summary that updates automatically as he adds more sales. This makes it super easy to report back to his manager with clear numbers. In the next video, we will make things even more exciting by adding charts and graphs to visualize the data. See you in the next part. Bye.